Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize a screen on Nokia Body Plus scale. To do this, you will need to get the app opened where you paired your scale to. If you're not sure how to do that, you can check our previous video on how to set up this scale for the first time. Now select devices, go for the customize screens. You can see all of the options available right here. Now when you see the plus, that means you'll be able to have this settings enabled. And here on minus you can remove them. Now if you want to change the places, so if you for example want to see muscle mass first, then you can move it with this by rotating it like that. Then make sure to save the settings afterwards, and the screen should be saved next time it synchronizes with the app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.